Hi, thank you for coming to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and this is a granny square. This is 12 granny squares that I've put together. I edged it off, make it a little bigger. It's about 40 by 40, maybe a little bigger. I didn't honestly measure it. I'm just guesstimating. I put a little border on it, tried to jazz it up a touch. I tried getting a color that would match everything. It only matches one of the squares in the blanket, but I do have other pinks in it. It is just a scrap blanket. So this is doubled. Currently it's doubled. Actually it's quadrupled. And that's the other side. This blanket took me no time at all because I had the squares from earlier this year, late last year, 2021. I had 32 of them. I'm down 12. They're not getting done. I'm going to donate the squares. There's too many ends to tie in. I don't know if you like granny squares, if you need them for a local, whatever, you need them for a blanket. You are in the lower 48, just let me know. I'll ship them to you. I do not like tying in the ends, and I just found out one of the commemorative blankets that I am making has 98 granny squares, and that is enough for me for the rest of 2023, and that has to be done by May. So yeah, I don't want to mess with mine. It didn't come out too bad. It's folded in 4. I got a different color for every square. Kinda, it's great for a baby. Once baby gets bigger, you could put it on the stroller. Yeah, it's not too bad. Anyway, that's my blanket. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate a subscription. If you don't subscribe, that's fine. If you could leave your DNA on the thumb.